Hey there, space fans! Today, we're talking about a planet that's got scientists all worked up. K2-18b. This ain't your pruned-up granny's planet, folks. It's a whole new world out there. And it's got some people taking a big dump. It's what we call an exoplanet. A planet outside our solar system, orbiting a star far, far away. Imagine a place so fucking distant, it's like a cosmic neighbor we never got a chance to screw. This fat bastard is about 8 times the mass of Earth. That's right, 8 times. It's like Earth on steroids. You think rush hour traffic is bad here? Imagine trying to find a parking spot on K2-18b. With all that mass, gravity would be a whole different ballgame, and it's over 120 light years away from us, which is like really fucking far. To put that in perspective, 1 light year is about 5.88 trillion miles. So yeah, it's a bit of a trek. Even if you had a spaceship that could travel at the speed of light, it would take you like 120 years to get there. Fucking forget about it. And that's assuming you could even survive the journey. Space travel ain't for pussies. Scientists are super excited about K2-18b because it lies within the habitable zone of its star. This means it could potentially have liquid water, which is a big deal when it comes to the search for life. Liquid water is one of the essential ingredients for life as we know it. If K2-18b has water, who knows what else it might be hiding? Maybe even some form of alien life. So keep your tweaker eyes on the stars, folks. The universe is full of fucking surprises, and K2-18b is just one of many waiting to be discovered. Who knows what we'll find next? So, what's the big fucking deal about this K2-18b? Well, no bullshit, it's not just another rock floating around in space. This exoplanet has got scientists' balls in their stomach, and for good reason. Here's where it gets interesting. K2-18b is sitting pretty in the habitable zone of its star. That means it could have liquid water on its surface. And where there's water, there's a chance for life. I'm not fucking around. Scientists have found gases in its atmosphere that are like those produced by algae here on Earth. Ain't that some shit? Tiny microscopic organisms possibly living it up on a distant world. We're talking methane, we're talking carbon dioxide. The kind of stuff that makes your dog's nutsack smell like a dumpster. But in space, these gases are a big deal. They could be signs of life. Now I know what you're thinking. Algae on another planet? You gotta be fucking me. But hold on, let's dive a bit deeper into this. But hey, it's not as crazy as it sounds. Algae are like the cockroaches of the plant world. They can survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, from freezing your balls off to scorching deserts. Algae are some of the oldest and toughest life forms on Earth. They've been around for billions of years, adapting and thriving in all sorts of environments. They can survive in all sorts of extreme environments. From the icy waters of the Arctic to the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone, some people find it on the tip of their cock. So who's to say they can't hack it on K2-18b? If there's even a slim chance that algae or similar organisms could exist there, it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for finding life beyond Earth. And that, my fucking friends, is why scientists have a boner about this discovery. But I'll be pissed off if an alien abducts me and shoves a rod up my ass while it's holding my ballsack. Of course, if there's algae on K2-18b, there might be other forms of life too, right? Imagine the possibilities. Algae could be just the beginning. What if this simple organism is the foundation of a complex ecosystem? Maybe some kind of alien fish is doing the fucking breaststroke for fun in a giant cosmic seaweed salad. Picture these fish with bioluminescent scales, lighting up the dark waters of K2-18b. They could have evolved unique adaptations to survive in their alien environment. Or maybe, and this is where it gets really interesting, there are intelligent beings out there. Imagine a civilization that has developed technology far beyond our own. Hopefully they don't have billionaire cunts that will end up destroying the planet. Now I'm not saying they're little green men with huge dongs. They could look completely different from the fat fucks we have on our planet. Maybe they have 6 cornholes or eyes that can see up their own asshole. But can you imagine if these brainy fucking aliens with giant heads are studying us like we study ants? They might have advanced knowledge of the universe, understanding things that are still mysteries to us. They're probably looking down at Earth right now, scratching their big bulbous cocks, thinking, what the fuck are those idiotic humans up to now? Maybe they're curious about our technology, our culture, or our porn and strip clubs. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes the search for extraterrestrial life so fascinating. Now before your dumb ass goes building your own spaceship and blasting off to K2-18b, I gotta stop you right there. Hold your horses, dipshit. We haven't found any definitive proof of alien life just yet. These gases we're talking about, they could be coming from something else entirely. Maybe there's some weird geological activity going on. Or maybe, just maybe, it is algae. And if it is algae, well, That opens up a whole new fucking can of cosmic worms. So put on your cock rings and have some fun. The search for life beyond Earth is just fucking getting started.